Hey guys, so he just got his bike that he ordered about 2 weeks ago. Super excited. It's like a kind of like a Grom, but a little bit different. So we're gonna show you and we're gonna do an unboxing. Hey Ricky. Sheesh.
What the fuck, Ricky? Oh shit! What?
Don't do that. Don't do that.
It's a bee.
Don't do that. So how you feel?
Oh, I feel good. I didn't even know it came with the gold forks.
Period. Explain to them. Explain to the people.
Oh, so this is a Boom Vader. It's a Grom clone, and I got it from off a website. But I put the link on the description. But it's pretty much like a Grom clone, and I think it's modeled after like the 2014 and 2020 model of the Grom. But yeah, Ricky's gonna go get the tools so we could just uncook these a lot faster.
What color did you get?
Oh, I got a white.
Come
I got
on.
a white. And show him the gold. Show him the gold forks. Oh my goodness, that's 24 carats.
Huh?
That's 24 karat gold.
Is it real?
Is it real?
Yeah.
Hell no, it's not.
You said 24 karat like it was real. That's nice. And then, so what's your color scheme gonna be? What you feeling?
I'm gonna keep it the way it is right now. But I'm probably gonna go with like green rims. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna go with the green rims.
So he's gonna video record all the stuff of him spray painting the rims. You guys will get to see how to spray paint and how he upgrades his Grom replica, huh?
Yeah.
This is nice.
Well, like I said again, it's called a Boom Vader 125. So if you guys want to get it, it is $1,200 shipped to the house.
They brought it to the house?
Yeah, so it's $1,000 for the bike.
Okay.
And it's like $200 for it to be shipped. And also they accept.
To all my people who love Afterpay, all things like Klarna, I like Klarna less than Afterpay, but that's not the point. They accept Afterpay, so you can do payments of 4 bi-weekly, and it's great. You're gonna love it. So yeah, that's it. Look at the fight.
If you ride with me, you gotta work for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the name of love.
Me and Ricky finally got this put back together, but let me just do a walk around. So if you guys want to get this Grom clone, it's called the Boom Vader 125, and it was $1,200 shipped, and this is what it looks like. Got the red stitching seats. Got a red shock. Got my Lola over here. Got the red calipers. So far, so good. I gotta say thank you to my guy Ricky It took us a while to put it back, but the front wheel was probably the hardest part to get on this bike. It definitely was a two-man job just to try to put one wheel on this bike. But thank you, Ricky, man. Could have done it without you, man.
If you ride with me, I gotta work for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry.